energy I have given. So what is the meaning of electrostatic potential energy? What is the meaning of electrostatic potential energy? Okay, electrostatic potential energy is nothing but, so it is the energy to bring a, this is the work done to bring a positive charge from infinity to that configuration. That configuration is known as electric potential energy, electrostatic potential energy. Now morning I have given. So definition, now continue. So now continue ma. Electrostatic potential energy. First question I have given definition. So definition finish. Now second question, units. Alright, units of electrostatic potential energy. Right, first one is SI unit. What is that? SI unit. SI unit is equal to energy. Energy is always joule only, right? Always joule only. So always joule. Next, one more will be there. Another unit. Another unit. That is electron volt. What is that? Electron volt. Where EV mean electron volt. Electron volt. Electron volt. Alright. So next, third one I have given. Define electron volt. Define electron volt. Like that I have given, right? Definition of electron volt. What is the meaning of electron volt? What is the meaning of electron volt? Electron volt. Electron volt is nothing but electron volt. Right on ma? Electron volt. Very, very important definition this one. Electron volt. In the dual nature also will come. So definition. The amount of energy, the amount of energy gained by an electron, when accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt. Potential difference of 1 volt is known as electron volt. Is known as electron volt. Is known as electron volt. That is the definition. Very, very, very important definition this one. So dual nature, we have to use so much application based on that. Okay, convert into electron volt to joule, like that. To some questions are there, but now also I will give you. So what is the meaning of electron volt? What is the meaning of electron volt? Electron volt is nothing but it is the amount of energy gained by an electron. Gained by an electron. Gained by energy gained by an electron when accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt. Potential difference of 1 volt. See, for example, here we are having 1 volt potential difference. Sir, board is not clear for me. Shall rejoin? Okay, rejoin. I did not close. I did not lock. Okay, right. So, for example, here I have positive charge and negative charge. You know, positive charge gives positive potential, negative charge is giving negative potential. Correct or not? Is the higher potential, that is the lower potential. So now this is the positive, this is the negative. So now I will give you here. So one area like that itself. One conductor will be there. One conductor. Or else one discharge tube, like that we are having one discharge tube or one electron. Discharge tube or electron. Right. So then what happened? So this is the positive point, this is the negative point. So this point I will give you A, this point I will give you B. Alright? What happened? What happened? No sir. What no sir? Sir, video is not clear. Many are facing net problem. Yes, do not lock. Yeah, I won't lock. So, video is clear everybody? Video is not clear. Video is clear. Video is perfect. Alright. You did not, that is not clear, means that is your network problem. Once you can rejoin. I did not log today. Alright. This is today Saturday, right? Saturday offer. Okay, right. Very good. Listen, man. So, here what? Jai Saturday. Jai yes, sir. Very good. Okay. Listen. So this is the point A. This is the point B. Now positive charge, potential. So from here to here, I want to bring some charge from here to here. So at this point, at point A, potential is VA. At point B, potential is VB. Potential is VB. VA and VB. VA and VB. Obviously, here more potential, here less potential should be there. Correct or not? So VA is greater than of VB. VA is greater than of VB. So between difference, between VA and VB difference, I will consider that is the potential difference is equal to 1 volt. So in this gap, in this area between VA and VB, potential difference how much will be there? 1 volt will be there. 1 volt. Right. So now electrons are moving from negative terminal to positive terminal. This is the positive terminal. This is the negative terminal. Correct or not? So now electrons. This is the electrons. The direction of electrons is can move in this direction. When it reach the this potential difference region, when it reach this region, that means electron is enter into here B to A in this direction. Electron is going in this direction. Electron is going in this direction. Listen everybody. When it reach the B, a positive terminal will be there. The electron will get acceleration. The electron will get acceleration. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because this is the negative, this is the positive terminal. Electrons are attracted by positive terminal. Electrons are attracted to positive terminal. That's what, when it reaches this electric field, in that case what happened? This electron is get acceleration, means the electron will get energy. Not in serious. Not in serious. What is that meaning, ma? They did not listen properly. Yes, sir, it's clear. But what you told something? Entering. Vedanta. Today I have given Saturday offer, right? Everything is okay. Sir, You continue, sir. Not in serious. Srishti. I can't understand that meaning. Okay, listen. So, electron is enter into this field. Now, electron, see, the amount of energy gained by an electron. The amount of energy gained by an electron when accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt. Potential difference of 1 volt. That means, so electron is enter into this field, the body will get acceleration. When the body will get acceleration, in that case, the body, that means it is amount of energy gained by an electron when accelerated. When the body is accelerated, in that case, the electron will get energy. Electron will get energy. That energy is known as electron volt. That's it, man. So enough this about this information. So 1 electron volt is equal to how much? 1 electron volt is equal to, so 1 only. So electron, charge of, this is the meaning of E mean charge of electron. Charge of electron is how much? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Alright, next one. So volt, how much volt will be there? 1 volt. Correct? 1 volt. So 1 into 1.6, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So coulomb into volt. What is the meaning of coulomb into volt? What is the meaning of coulomb into volt? You know formula. V is equal to W by Q only, na? W by Q. So here volt. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb, like that I have given. Correct? That means volt is equal to joule by coulomb. So joule is equal to volt into coulomb. Very, very important relation, remember. Joule is equal to volt into coulomb. Joule is equal to volt into coulomb. So here coulomb into volt is what? Joule. Therefore 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. This is the 1 electron volt. That's it. So very, very, very important into relation this one. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 10 power minus 19 joule. 1 joule is equal to 1 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 electron volt. Electron volt. Electron volt. Joule is converted into electron volt converted into joule. For example, one example I will give you. So, how much is given energy? Energy is equal to 3 electron volt is given. Energy how much is given? Remember, electron volt is the unit of energy, not a potential. Remember, everybody. Electron volt is the unit of energy, not a potential. Therefore, energy is given. Energy is equal to how much? 3 electron volt is given. That 3 electron volt convert into joule. Like that I am asking question. So 3 electron volt is equal to dash volt. Dash joule, sorry. So 3 into 1 electron volt is equal to how many joules? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. So therefore 3 1 is 3. So 3 16 3 is 48. So 4.8 into 10 power minus 19 joules. This is the electron. Which one? Electron volt converted into joule. Joule converted into electron volt, we want to divide by 1.67. That one also I will give an example. Example number 1, example number 1. Number 2. E is equal to 9 into 10 power 10 joules is given. Okay. So for example, how much? Okay, right, no, nothing will happen. 5.4 into 10 power minus 20 joules. That joule converted into electron volt. So 1 joule is equal to how much? 5.4 into 10 power minus 20. 1 joule is equal to 1.6 6 into 10 power minus 19. Correct? So here I will consider calculation purpose. So how much? 48. Oh, okay. 6.4 I will consider. 6.4 I will consider. Calculation purpose only. Alright. So here 19. 19 minus 1 will come. Point it cancel. 61, 16 fours. So 4 into 10 power minus 1. Minus 1. Electron volt. Electron volt. Are you clear? So that is. Electron will convert into joule. Joule is converted into electron volt. Right. 0.4 electron volt. That's it, ma. This is the concept of electron volt. Finish. So next we will enter into essay question. 2 essay questions are there. So 2 essay questions, it is time is there, man, I will give you. So now topic number what? So internal definition and SI units, electron volt. Now fourth one. So fourth point, correct one, na? Fourth one, right? Yes, fourth one. The potential energy of a system, 2-point charges. Expression for potential energy of a system of 2-point charges. 2-point charges. Derive the expression for potential energy of a system of 2-point charges in the absence of an external electric field. External electric field. Very important question. Very important question. Expression for potential energy of a system of 2-point charges in the absence of an electron of an external electric field. That means, so there is no electric field. There is no electric field. That is nothing but absence of external electric field. For example, if there is no electric field, what about potential energy? What about potential? What about work done? There is no electric field. Electric field is there, means we want to do. So against the electric field, some work done. Against the electric field, some work done. If there is no work, there is no electric field. In that case, work done is how much in this field? How much? In the absence of electric field, work done is equal to how much? No response. I think you did not understand question. 0, very good. Everybody understand. Okay. So now I can drop this question, ma. So topic is, what is that? Potential energy of a system of 2-point charges. 2-point charges in the absence of external electric field. Only we are having 2 questions. One is presence of external electric field, absence of external electric field. Absence of external field, presence of external electric field. Now absence of electric field. Right. So, for example, I will consider at infinity, where at infinity Q1 charge. Here at infinity Q2 charge will be there. Q1 and Q2. Now initially from here to here, what should be there? Very long distance will be there. We want to assemble these 2 charges together. We want to assemble two charges together. That is known as static potential energy. Correct? Electrostatic potential energy. Right. So now I want to bring this charge from infinity to this point. Required work done I will consider W1. Correct? So this point I will consider A point. So this is the Q1 charge. Q1 charge I brought from infinity to this point. Similarly, Q2 charge I can bring from where to where? So from here to here I will give you this point E is B. Here Q2 charge will be there. Required work done is equal to W2. Required work done is equal to W2. Correct or not? So now first point, what is that? So the amount of work done. The amount of work done in bringing a charge Q1 from infinity to point A is okay now. So here potential I will consider V1. Here potential is infinity. Potential is infinity. Correct? Or else here potential is A. Here potential is VB. Therefore W work done is where to where? Infinity to A. Infinity to A. From one point to second point. Okay? Infinity to A is equal to potential difference. Your potential is infinity, your potential VA. So potential difference. So final minus initial into Q1. This is the formula. Remember, always we are bringing charges from infinity. This is the standard initial. Initial is infinity. Final is whatever point I will consider, that one only. Right? So now, whatever here, this one I will consider W1. Therefore, W1 is equal to, this is the VA, this is the V infinity into Q1. But at A VA is equal to 0. Because, why because? Because there is no electric field initially. There is no electric field. Correct? Initially, here there is no electric field. So that potential is equal to how much? 0. Charge is there means it will give some potential. Charge is not there at point here before. But Q1 I brought from infinity to that point. Before absence. That's what absence of electric field. Absence of electric field. Right? Okay. Then, so that this is a 0, V infinity already always 0. This is a nearly equal to 0 always. At infinity, that is negligible, right? Therefore, W1 is equal to 0 minus 0 into Q1. That is equal to 0, W1. W1 is equal to 0. Right. Next second point. What is that? The amount of work done. Amount of work done in bringing charge Q2 from infinity to point B. Point B is W infinity to point B is equal to potential, final potential VB, initial potential infinity, directly I have given these words, and Q2. V infinity is equal to 0. This is, I will consider W2. Therefore, W2 is equal to VB into Q2. VB into Q2. But VB is not a zero. Okay, not equal to zero. Why? Because something potential should be there. How is our potential? That is the option, no sir. Like the doubt will come. Previous options, but we brought already which one? Q1 charge to here. Correct? The Q1 is gives some charge around this direction. So that's what Q1 charge can exert on point to B. Q1 charge can exert some potential on B. That's what at B potential is VB not equal to 0. Alright? So where VB is the potential at B due to charge Q1. Charge Q1 where VB is the potential at B due to charge Q1. Therefore, VB is equal to formula. VB is equal to formula what? K into Q1 by R12. I will consider distances from here to distance. I will consider R12. R12. Okay, na? So R12. So now this value you can put here. So therefore W2 is equal to VB K into Q1 Q2 divided by R12. Q1 Q2 divided by R12. Finished one. So that is the W2. Therefore total work done. Then total work done. W is equal to W1 plus W2. So 0 plus K into Q1 Q2 by R12. This is the W. Therefore W is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R12, where W is energy stored. Energy stored in the form of potential energy, where W is energy stored in the form of potential energy. Therefore U is equal to W. U is equal to W. Remember always, U is equal to W. Therefore U is equal to W. So K into Q1 Q2 by R12. This is our expression. Is the expression. Rejoin. Right. 2-point charges are there. Mean I will give. I have given example only. For example, 3 charges are there. We want to bring 3 charges in the options of electric field. 4 charges, 5 charges, n charges. Then what is the formula, sir? Right. So for that purpose, I will give you shortcut idea here. Remember. So for 3, 4, 5, so on charges. Okay. So how that is the formula we will give you. Right. So now I will consider here coordinate. X coordinate and Y coordinate. X coordinate and Y coordinate. Right. So now what happened? So here Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 like that will be there. Now Q1 we want to bring from infinity to this point. Q1 we will bring from infinity to this point. This is the Q1 charge. Q1 charge. Right. So from here to here I can draw position vector. Position vector, that is the QR1. Right. Again I brought R2 charge here. Okay. So that is the Q2 charge. Sorry. So position vector is R2. Position vector is R2. Now again I brought here to here. What is that? Q3 charge. Q3 charge I brought from infinity to this point. Therefore, here to here, what is that? So that is the R3 vector. So next to Q4 vector, Q4, I will bring from there to there Q4. So like that n charges I brought. Alright, like that will be there. Then what is the net electric potential energy? Total potential energy is equal to how much? Total potential energy is equal to how much? That means here U is equal to U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus U4 plus so on. Correct or not? So U1 already 0. U1 is equal to 0. Correct? U2 is equal to W2. W2 is equal to V2 into Q2. Yes? Next W3. W3 is equal to V3 into Q3. Q3 charge we can bring from infinity to this point. At Q3, potential is V3. Potential is V3. Next one, W4. W4 is equal to V4 Q4. V4 Q4. Right? But here one logic will be there. One important topic will be. What is that? At this Q2, how many forces acting here? That means before this 2 we did not bring. We brought only Q1. Afterward Q2. So that means Q2 at point B is a point A and a point B. Is a point B. At the point B, so Q1 VB potential should be there. VB potential, V2 potential errors. That V2 potential is given by Q1. Correct? Very good. Next one. So again Q3 will be there. Now how many charges are there? 2 charges will be there. How many charges? 2 charges. Now Q3 came. That means on the Q3, how many potential can work? 2 potential. Yes or no? So with respect to Q2, with respect to Q1.